like a boss.
All right, what's up, Mindful Gang? So we're gonna talk about when is the best time to pull away from a guy, all right? Because I've been getting this question asked on my Patreon account, on my coaching sessions that I have on a daily basis lately. Apparently the pandemic makes relationship worse, so they gotta call me more. It's true, like pandemic has really ruined a lot of relationships. So I'm getting asked, when should I pull away as a preventive measure? Not as a way to get him back, but as a way to make him like you more, as a way to make him appreciate you more, right? So we're gonna be talking about that right now. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, can you guys help me figure out a better name for you guys? I like Mindful Gang, but I want a more specific name. For example, like Shalyn Lester, interesting person, right? But her name lends to her having some amazing nicknames for her followers. Shalloners, Shalloween, Shallinstigators. It could just be anything fucking with that name, okay? So help me find a name for you guys. For all the Mindful Gang, help me out. And whoever helps me out, I'm gonna give you guys a prize, ladies and gentlemen, okay? And all right, so let's begin this. And after tomorrow, we're gonna do a live stream on the laws of human nature. So we're gonna get a free one tomorrow. So be ready out for that. All right, let's begin. So look, the reason why you want to pull away, okay, is because guys just need to know that they can miss you. This happened to me too, right? I'm the kind of person that if you don't pull away at some point, I need space so that I could process you. I need space so that I could miss you. That's me. I'm that kind of person. But even in general, most guys, even if you're noticing that he likes you, by giving him space is what he needs to have that space so that he can think about you more, so that he can fantasize about you more, so that he can equate his self-esteem with your approval. Because you gave him validation, you validated him by being there, by texting him, by seeing him all the time, by being consistent. And so you give him a validation, then you take it away by being inconsistent, by pulling away after a moment of peakness. All right? So the first time that you pull away is when things are great. When you're noticing that he's liking you, that he's texting you, that he's doing all that sort of stuff, right? That's the first one, because a lot of you ladies only pull away once things are bad. No, pick the moments of peak experience to pull away. The second moment that I want you guys to use to pull away is this. Pull away after he does something that could be seen as offensive or as something wrong, right? You could even pick an argument. Honestly, you could even just pick an argument, create a little argument. The reason why is this. Sometimes when you pull away without a reason, without an argument, they might assume that you're trying to manipulate them, you know? So you create an argument by just having any conversation, right? It could be anything. Like, honestly, just create something. Like, a lot of you ladies, not for nothing, some of you ladies are just flat out bitches. Some of you ladies are pretty good at this. But for the nice girls, because this is the majority of my subscribers, the nice girls, not the bitches, the nice girls, right? And we all know there's a difference between a nice girl and a bitch. They have no heart, all right? But we all need them too, you know, that we learn from them. So you just pick an argument, pick a moment, just pick an argument or a discussion or whatever, or seem mad or seem cold, right? And then you just stop initiating contact. Then all of a sudden you're busy for 2-3 weeks at a time, right? You just create an excuse and you just stop asking him out. Ladies and gentlemen, I can promise you, he's gonna begin. The reason why you do it when there's an argument is because he'll feel like he did something wrong. You might even notice he might even give you a gift. You might even notice that he might even start doing things he never did before. You might even notice he'll start looking at you differently the next time he sees you. What I want you to do though is to not act mad, right? Have that little argument, and if he ever brings it up, you just oh no, I'm not mad at that. No, I'm just busy, man, right? Some guys will not ask you why you're mad, okay? But I can promise you that if you do it after an argument, he's gonna assume is because you were once mad. And he'll try to do something to be back in your good favors. That is very simple. Ladies, just make sure you do this. if you just do this, honestly, in all honesty, if you just do this, you'll see a difference in your relationships, honestly. I mean, a lot of you ladies just don't do it because you guys don't think you'll need this, because you think things will always be the same way they are now. Nah, bitch, that shit's not the same way. He might pull away one day. So preemptively do this just in case, because you never know. You never know. Don't take people for granted. They're not always going to be there for you, all right? So ladies, look, man, say thank you to all of the Patreon supporters here. They're supporting the channel in terms of the qualities of the video. So say thank you to them, be polite, or else I'm closing the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Patreon because I'm posting videos there. I'm answering questions there. Right? We're having a ton of fun. We have a book club in there. You can see all that stuff here, right? And I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna make the video how to give men the pain that they want next week, okay? I'm still not satisfied with the information that I got. I'm gonna take more time into it and do it more properly, okay? All right, ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have a good day. Peace out. All right, ladies, so finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature, I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.